Hi friends, myself Soham Ramnani.
And myself, Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover the talent in you. The material required is a cartridge sheet, some brushes, pencil, eraser, and some watercolor cakes. So we'll take 3 by 8. So we have to take 3 panels. So after taking the 3 panels, it's 3 inch by 8 inch, and we'll take a tape. Take a bit inside so that it comes a little of plain border for the landscape. You can see the line here inside. So we have completed the tape. We'll start the coloring. First we'll take this rectangle and we'll apply some water. I've applied water, and I'll take blue, that is Persian blue. So dark at one side. Just lift the paper, color will go dripping down. Add some black to it. Take cobalt blue, Persian blue at the top, and now I'm using cobalt blue. So we'll go till the end. And let this dry, and we'll start the next part of the painting. Now we'll take yellow. We'll first apply water. After applying water, we'll take yellow. Mix a bit of orange. We'll go to the third one. Here we'll use only cobalt blue. First we'll apply water. This needs at least 5 to 10 minutes to dry, or you can use a hair dryer for drying it. Here only cobalt blue is added. And last we'll use sap green. This I have taken original color, and after that I have taken only water, so that 2 trees may come a bit faint, so that it may appear that they are far away, and the darker shade will give that they are nearer to us. I have taken color again. So 2 trees were done. These 2 trees were done dull, as so that the look comes that they are farer in the painting. See, when we make dark light effects, so the darker trees will appear as if they are close to us and the faint trees are far away. For that you have to only dip the brush in water and do it. Don't take color at that time. We have to take brown and black together. Below we have to show some grass, that with black, and you can take green and black together. We'll come to blue. We'll come to this painting, and for here we'll make some dots in the sky. You can even sprinkle. If not, you can put some dots like this far away. Once it is finished, we'll take off the tape and we'll cut and put it on a darker paper so that we can go for the framing of all three paintings together. We had put the tape to give our painting a white border. You can have a look that our painting is having a slight of border. After cutting, it will be more clear. We have to cut the paintings and put it on a darker paper and go for the framing for all the three. You can place it far, you can place it close, it's up to you. And you can have a good frame.